So here I will present a demonstration of the application that I have created using Angular and Google Map module. In fact, the application is showing the map in our current location. So let's run the application using ngserve and wait until it's compiling successfully. We have to use another port because 4200 is already in use. Now the application is compiled successfully, and we can open this link. It will ask for us to allow our location. We say yes in order to get our location in the map. And here we have our location. Here is my country, my town, and we can zoom in and zoom out